Good morning children, welcome to mathematics class. So yesterday we were discussing about let us practice 2.3 and we have solved already question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and today we should solve question number 5. Okay, let's start. Question number 5. Build the greatest and the smallest 3-digit number using the digit 3 and 8. We should use the number 3 and 8 and we should form smallest and the greatest number. Okay? How we should do this? They have given only 2 digits and they told us to make 3-digit number. So what we should do is among these two, 3 and 8, any one number we will use twice so that it will become 3-digit number. So to prepare the smallest number, 3, 8, if I use to prepare the smallest number, we should write the given numbers in ascending order. So I have written 3, 8, that is 38. This has not become 3-digit number. So I will use 3 again. 2 times I will use. So this will become 338 and this is the smallest number. Greatest number, to form the greatest number, what we should write is, we should do descending order. So biggest to the smallest. So 8 and 3 I used, it has become 83. I want 3-digit greatest number. So I used 8 2 times. So the answer is 883. Question number 6. Tick the greatest number and encircle the smallest number. A. 3,446, 4,653, 5,436, 6,435. B. 7,507, 7,570, 5,077, then 5,770, 707. C. 1,030, 1,300, 1,003, 301, 3,010. D. 2,358, 2,853, 2,583, 2,257 and 283. What they are instructing? Tick the greatest number and encircle the smallest number. So the greatest number we should tick and the smallest number we should circle. So A, observe all the number. So greatest number you should identify. All are 4-digit numbers. 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. So which is the greatest number? 6,435 is the greatest number. So tick it. Okay. Encircle the smallest number. 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So 3,446 is the smallest number. Come to the next. Tick the greatest number. 7,000, 7,000, 5,000, 5,000, 7,000. So 7,000 you check it again. 500, 500, 7. So that has gone. Then 0 tens, 7 tens. So this is the greatest number in B and the smallest number 5077 this is the smallest number. So greatest number we should tick, smallest number we should circle. See, just see the digits first. 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 3 digit and 4 digit. So the 4 digit, 3 digit is the smallest one. So circle it and search the biggest one. 1000, 1000, 1000, 3000. So which is the biggest one? 3010 is the greatest number. Again check it here. 4 digit, 4 digit, 4, 4, 3 digit. So this is the smallest one. So the circle it. Then check it out the greatest. 2000, 2000, 2000, 2000. Then 300, 800, 500, 200. So 800 is the biggest one. So tick it. Got it? This is question number 6. Tick the greatest number and encircle the smallest number. A, there were 5 numbers. So the smallest number is 3446 and the greatest number is 6435. And the B side, there were 5 numbers. Okay, we checked digit wise, all are equal, 4 digit, and then we checked place wise. So 5077 is the smallest number, 7570 is the biggest one. No, this is wrong actually. See again, 5770. So 7000, 7000, 5000, 7000. So 500, 500, 700, 0. So this is the biggest one. 5770. Okay. Now this is correct. Now check the digit wise. So this is 3 digit number. So number which will be the small digit, so less digit than the other, that will be the smallest number. So 301 is the smallest number. Then I checked 1000, 1000, 1000, 3000. So 3000 is the biggest number. So is this correct? No, this is not correct. Actually 7000, 7000, 5000, 7000. So next 3 7000s are there. We should check with hundreds place. 500, 500. This is 0. So in these two we should check. So 507, 510, 70. So this is the correct one. Okay. Yeah, that was the correct. First time only it was correct. And the next question. Let's go for next question. Encircle the even number. Okay. These all things you should write in your fair notebook, as well as if the sufficient place is there in your textbook, there also you should write. Now question number 7. Encircle the even numbers. So 33, 68, 247, 786, 920 and 139. 8. Encircle Again I will tell you what is odd number and what is even number. The number which is having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in ones place, those are all the even numbers. Another thing, the number which can be written in the pairs, perfect pairs, that is also even number. If the number is a product of 2, that is also even number. So these all things don't remember. Only thing important one is the number which is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place, those are known as even numbers. See, even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, which is having in ones place. For example, 32, 54, 60, 90, 6, 38. Just you see the ones place. See, don't look at other places. Ones place is 2, 4, 0, 6, 8. So these numbers are known as even numbers. Suppose 35, just look at the ones place. Is there 0, 2, 4, 6, 8? No, this is 5. Other than 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, if any numbers other than that numbers, this is known as odd number. So odd number means odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are all these numbers if are there in ones place. For example, 31, 53, 75, 67, 39. See ones place. These are with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these are odd numbers. Got it? Now do this question. Encircle the even numbers. Just check it out ones places. 3, is it even? No. 8, is this even? Yes, this is even. 7, is this even? No. 6, yes, this is even. And 0 is also even. 9 is not even number. Okay. Come to next. Encircle the odd numbers. Okay. Odd numbers means there should be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in ones places. Okay. Just check it out ones place. 1, 0, 3, 7, 9, 6. So this is having 1, so that this is odd number. Here encircle the odd numbers. 0, this is not odd number. This is even. And 3 also even. This is odd number, and this is also odd numbers. Got it? The concept of even number and odd numbers. And next, 9th question. Write down the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. 9th question. Write the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number is equal to greatest 4-digit number is equal to. Already I told you which is the smallest 4-digit number. Yes, that is 1000. See, the 1000 is having 4-digit number. Which is the greatest 4-digit number? 9,999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Yes, I hope you understood this. We have completed 2.3. Now I know. So after finishing this lesson, which all are the things we know? The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The greatest 4-digit number is 9,999. I am reading that number, page number 229. In a 4-digit number, the place value chart goes up to 4 places as given below. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So if the 3-digit number, the place value chart will be ones, tens, hundred. If it is 4-digit, ones, tens, hundred, thousand will come. If it is 5-digit number, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 will add in the chart. The place value of a digit in a number is the digit multiplied by its place. Yes, the face value of the digit in a numeral is the value of the digit itself at whatever place it may be. The face value. So face value, whatever the number, that is only the face value of the number itself. A numeral in expanded form is the sum of the place value of the digits in the numeral. The successor of a number is obtained by adding 1 to the given number. The predecessor of a number is obtained by subtracting 1 from the number. To compare two numbers, the number with more digit is greater. If the numbers have the same number of digits, then compare the digits at the higher group or place. The number having greater digit is greater. In ascending order, numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest. In descending order, numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest. To form the greatest number, place digits in descending order. To form the smallest number, place digits in an ascending order. Numbers with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place are even numbers. Numbers with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the ones place are odd numbers. Already I explained these things, and the exercise we will solve in the next class. So try to solve this exercise in rough notebook, and tomorrow I will solve this on the board, and you can compare your answers with my answers. Okay? Thank you.